Oh, right. Good doggies. We've got 2 Pomeranians. Where are they? Little one there? Fei-Ho, where are you? There you are. Maggie's paddling at the moment. Hey? Yeah? Who says Pomeranians don't like water? They're getting used to it, definitely. They're 5 months old, but they're doing so well. We're in Torbay, that's Brixham. Hey? We're coming into Midfoot. There it is. Where are the doggies? Holly, Fei-Ho? Fei-Ho? Yes, I can see your face. Hello, Apple? Apple, I can see her face. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I can see her. Apple! Apple! That's it. There they are. They're coming into my foot. Ooh. Hello, Paul. Hello. Toby. Oh.